Welcome to the EMMO Monta Dual assembly video. This video will guide you through the step-by-step unboxing and assembly process. Before starting the assembly, prepare the following tools. Before you begin, check the bike's model and color. Record the serial number and take a photo. Unpack carefully and follow the warnings to avoid any damage. When placing the front wheel, keep the disc rotor facing up. After removing all packaging, you'll find all the necessary parts inside. Let's start with the handlebar installation. First, start by using a 4mm hex key to remove the stem faceplate and hardware, and keep it. Put the handlebar onto the head too. Keep the front fork, cables, and brake lever facing forward, so the brake caliper is on the kickstand side. Then reinstall the stem faceplate using the same hex key. Tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern. And adjust the handlebar angle to your preference before fully tightening. Next, adjust the display angle to your liking and tighten it using a 2.5mm hex key. Do not exceed 1 Nm of torque. Align the connectors and tighten to secure the display cable. That completes the handlebar installation. Now, let's install the front wheel. Remove the axle protector. Remove a spring and a nut from the axle. Insert the axle from the disc brake rotor side, through the center of the tire. Then, reinstall the spring and nut. Do not tighten yet. Remove the brake pad spacer. Then take off the fork protector plate using a 15mm wrench. Make sure the suspension is facing forward and the brake is positioned on the kickstand side. Align the front wheel with the fork dropouts, and carefully slide the disc rotor between the brake pads as you insert the wheel. Ensure that the wheel axle is level and parallel to the ground, and that the wheel is centered within the fork. The lever shouldn't touch or point at the front suspension. Keep it angled slightly upward. Next, tighten the nut. If the quick release closes too easily, it's too loose. If it won't close, it's too tight. It should take firm pressure and leave a small mark on your hand. Now tuck the lever into the cam curve and press it inward to lock it. Quick release safety check. Lift the front of the bike and spin the wheel. It should spin smoothly, with no wobble. Rock the bike forward and back while holding the handlebars. Make sure there's no looseness in the wheel, fork, or handlebar. Next, let's install the fender. Use a 5mm hex key to remove the screw from the fork arch. You'll need it later to attach the fork, headlamp, and fender. Do not route the headlamp cable through the suspension. Before fully tightening, slightly lift the fender to leave a small gap between it and the tire. Before you begin installation, make sure the brake cable is positioned outside the fender bracket. Loosen the dropout screws on both sides with a 4mm hex key and keep them. Then, use the same screws to attach and secure the fender. Organize the cables around the headlamp and secure them with zip ties. That completes the front wheel installation. Next, let's install the seat. Loosen the seat post clamp. Adjust the height to your preference. Make sure the slot on the seat post clamp is aligned with the opening on the frame. Position the lever into the cam curve and press to lock. Install the pedals next. Identify the left and right pedals based on the markings. Attach each pedal to its corresponding crank arm. Tighten the right pedal clockwise, then secure it with a wrench. Tighten the left pedal counterclockwise, then secure it with a wrench. Final check. Pump both tires to the recommended pressure, between 30 and 40 psi. Check and tighten all screws securely. Make sure they meet the recommended torque values. Use straps to secure the bike frame and battery. Finally, attach the axle nut covers to the rear wheel axle.